Special Agent Adams with the FBI. Hi. You take a walk? I've always loved this park. Came here every weekend. Been bald with my dad, ran around with my dog. You from Riverdale? I am. Born and raised. That's why I was assigned this case. What case? Why do you need to talk to me? How well do you know Hiram Lodge?
Do I actually need Mapbox yet? Native node. I don't think I need either one of these dependencies. So I'm not going to add that. What else am I going to add? Icon was already uploaded. Navigation, main tab. Okay, whatever. Git, commit. Let's see what we're going to call this. Okay, whatever, nanny state. Splash screen. Okay. Oh, I forgot to configure this. Git config.
Soon after admitted to Columbia Presbyterian with life-threatening injuries. You think Mr. Lodge is responsible for this? Veronica is my girlfriend. And your girlfriend's father is an extremely dangerous man.
Git.
He's hurt people, maybe worse.
Thanks, Sterling Scott.
Let's keep it simple. Find out what happened to Nick St. Clair. The truth. Then, based on how you do with that assignment, I have not agreed to anything. Is legal what you're asking me to do?
What am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna diff this because I'm not 100% sure what's inside of. I'll do this one. Oh, so it's just the rename. Okay, that's fine. Git add. This one. Git commit -m. Actually, no, I'm going to add something else. Screens. Link. No. link screen, this one. Git commit -m, and what are we gonna call this? Update middle screen to links. There you go. I'm gonna push this. Hope that works. Yes, okay. That's right, I've already linked my Git key to this. Let's see what else can we get. Actually, you know what I can do for you guys? I can actually get you a face cam of me because I've got this nice setup. I can live green screen myself out of it, but I can at least show you what I look like. Watch. I will show you the way. My queen. I will move this out of the way. And abracadabra. Let's make this a bit smaller. Let's flip the script. Hey, what's up, people of the internet? Hope you've all come here to come watch me do some live coding. I'm gonna put this up here because I need to do the coding down here actually. So, what am I doing? I'm uploading my stuff to the internet because I need to download it on my server. What else do I have to add? I'm not adding app.json, I'm not adding package.json because those both contain commits I don't actually need. But, what else can I do? I think basically all my screens can go in as one commit. Git add. Okay, so I made this component in my app called a shelf card. And I think the screen shelf screen. Oh, sorry, git add shelf screen. There you go. So after I add those two in, that was when I added black cards to shelf tab. Okay, so I added my black cards to shelf tab. Thanks, Duran Scott. Shout out to you. What else do I need? I'm gonna just put the other ones. So git add. I'm gonna add nearby. Git add. I think that's most of it. Git add. Oh, actually, I'll add settings screen as this commit to git commit dash. Okay, this is all, by the way, on my GitHub. GitHub, the link, it's the same as my channel. I program, make videos, do whatever. You can check out all of this stuff on GitHub itself. As I'm committing it, I'm going to push it out. I don't know if you want to run my code. It currently is, I don't think it's running. I don't think it's running stably. I'm going to fix it tonight. So this is what this live stream is about. I'm going to try to talk myself through this, talk the audience through it, anybody who's watching. So, git commit -m. What am I going to call this? Housekeeping, remove default settings screen. I don't need that shit anymore. I'm gonna push that up. Come on, GitHub, don't screw me over. If you want to listen to what I'm listening to, it's the soundtrack to Stranger Things. Yeah, it's pretty lit. I don't know why I'm listening to it. I don't even like Netflix, and I don't have a Netflix account. Git add screens. There's only one left. Add map view and point it to SF. One loc in AMS. Git push. Perfect. So now I have all my code on GitHub. I'm going to go switch to my server. And I think this squarely falls under experiments. Git clone, git at GitHub. Oh, sorry, it's like this. Delink, spare native.git. Huh. I don't have rights to this. What? Git clone git at github.com. Delink. Yeah. Spare native.git. Huh? What? I don't even know my own private key on my server? That's fucking embarrassing. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Also, if you can't tell, it's really cold here. It's not super cold, but I'm wearing this jacket. I mean, my jacket matches my phone case, so that's something. This is all, by the way, being live streamed from my phone. I have my rear camera faced at my face on a tripod in front of an IKEA light bulb, and I've got this wonderful green tablecloth here to, you know, make a green screen, even though I can't green screen this out live because I haven't gotten to that level of being able to work with my phone. Okay. So anyways, that's not what I need, but let's just go to my GitHub, and here's spare native. This is what I look like. I mean, I wear a hat now, but like, dude, it's just personality traits. Whatever, dude. Let me be. Live and let live. Git. Yeah, whatever. Where am I? Git clone this. Come on, you can do it. Perfect. npm I. Let's hope this helps us out. I don't think I need to run exp init. So the way that I'm working, my command line tool in this case is exp, which comes from Expo. These guys. I don't know if I've like fully explained what I'm doing. Expo. These. Come on. This isn't even running on my computer right now. This is a server because I'm trying to install IPFS specifically on Ubuntu. And I'm going to use it as an HTTP server because right now I don't have time to get the node server working through Expo. And that's fine. I know it's technically possible. You can force React Native to run whatever you want because that's the thing, it's native. It allows you to have that Android integration. Why does this thing recognize me? Yeah, Expo is really cool. It has an interactive site. I mean, look at this. Oh yeah, smooth. Fastest way to build an app. Tools. Yeah, so they have a client CLI Snack SDK. You can easily get started. You download Node.js. I'm gonna try Snack because I need to see something. Dun, dun, dun. React. Checkbox. Oh yeah, navigation one. Can I actually see this app? I don't think I'll be able to, because if I use the QR code scanner, it's gonna not let me use my camera. Oh well. So, what I'm seeing here is there's an app.js. There's not much. There's only a white asset. That doesn't even matter. So we have a stack navigator, okay, and a drawer navigator. Interesting. I don't even know what that means. I hope that's okay. So screen, that's pretty random. Screen 13. So you create a stack navigator, okay. Where do you put the stack navigator afterwards? You make a drawer navigator. Interesting. So, how do I run this on device? You want me to sign in? There you go. Okay, that's fine. Sign in with your Expo account. Open the project from the Projects tab. You're currently signed into the snack as the link. Okay. I'm here, but this project isn't showing up. Recently in development. Interesting. Damn. Well, I'll just... Literally, I have to do that. Okay, whatever. I'll just wait for it to load. I'll use appetize.io. I don't even know. Okay, cool. Huh. Okay. Do I have to reload this or something? Come on. Let's go. It's bopping. What's bopping? Yeah, reload. I don't need your changes. I need to see what the snack looks like. Come on. Come on. I already have this. Come on, what are you doing to me? This is all from a Galaxy Note 8, by the way, folks. This is the rear camera just pointing at me. Green screen in the back. I know it's insane. This is the world we live in. Can we please live in a society? What the heck? I put in my payer code. It still wants me to run on my phone. Okay. So, Back to the Future. And Vim dot. Let's get into my files and let's check that shit out. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I don't care if it's not compiled with Python. I'll figure that out later. So I've got my screens. I've got some. Let's see. What can I click on here? What do I want to take care of? My settings screen? No, let's take a look at, yeah, well, why not? Let's try to spawn something from the settings screen. Edit anyways, because I don't care. And I'm going to open NerdTree just for shits and giggles because I want to be able to see that at all times. I'm not a super efficient programmer. Reactive Native. Okay, profile picture. Settings. So currently under main tab navigator. Does that do what I want it to do? Oh, this thing's just chewing on this. Okay, yeah. So I could technically even have 3 places that I put this, and I'll just put this down here for now because, I mean, you guys can watch me. Okay, let's see. I've got this stuff in my tab navigator. So information circle is not what I want. I want a different Ionicon, I think. I want the Ionicons. Come on. Yep, I don't want to leave any changes on this. Are they seriously Ionicons? Is that what I'm using? Yeah, Ionicons. That's crazy, dude. Ionicons are prolific, even if you're not using Ionic itself, like for React Native. It's crazy. What am I looking for? Map. Yeah, Ion map. I don't care. I'm gonna have the same one. Case home. Yeah. Get out of here with all this specificity. I don't need it. icon name equals ion map. We don't need these inline ifs. Ion. What are we gonna call this one? Shelf book. What is this? Laptop? Why the heck not? Laptop. Options. Options. I think levels is the one I'm gonna go with. iOS Android settings. Android options. iOS wrench. Options. Wow. That's what that was for, so that on iOS it focuses and unfocuses. Hey Rama YouTube, what's up, man? I'm programming right now. How are you? This is what I look like. Also, playing PUBG in desktop mode sucks, and according to the subreddit, if you do so, you're a sinner, so I don't want to be a sinner. I'll stream PUBG with just audio. For now, I know there's a better way. Man, I love to. There's no good gear icons. What gear icon should I do? This icon? It's iOS. Gear A, Gear B. I'll just do Gear A. I don't mind. Let's go. Gear A. Gear A. I think Ion Gear A. Is that what I'm seeing? Yeah, Ion Gear A. Ion Gear A. Let's go to my folder. Spare native. Okay, EXP start. Let's load that app up. Start my emulator. Get your engines ready, boys and girls. Let's launch this app. Let's hope all the improvements are worth it. Did you guys do the... what was it called? Stranger Things challenge? Dun, 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 dun. I'll put this back up here. Or actually up here is fine. Hey, I got my QR code, so let's load it up. This is my app. I'm gonna see if I can modify some things in it. Yeah, so see it's building down here. You can see the app is getting compiled right now on my phone in order to be run on my phone too. Thanks, Flavor Nora. What's up, man? Thanks for tuning in and checking out my live coding. I should play some kind of music in the background. Should I play some kind of classical, you guys think? Echo, play classical music.
Symphonies were to start from Spotify.
I'll make it really quiet in the background so I don't get copyright striked. I am not hacking right now. This is called programming, and anybody can do it on their Android phone. I'm just showing you. I'm live streaming myself programming. Isn't that cool? A huh. That's interesting. So on iOS, the icons don't work if I do that. Huh. So I want to teach programming on my channel. I don't know if I'll be able to effectively teach programming on my channel, but I'm going to try live stream programming on my channel, and maybe I'll be able to teach eventually. Like, this is fairly straightforward. There's a video on my channel on how to get this running. I guess on iOS you can't do this. You need a Mac to program for iOS, but I can make an iOS app in here, technically. Just watch. Just watch. I can make an iOS app, technically. Can I actually? npm. Well, actually, I need a sudo npm ig. Am I hacking? That's great. Okay, so I need exp here. The latest version, please. Don't listen to me type my password. Okay. Oh, I'm so stupid. I doesn't have a flag. G is a flag. So what this means is that I'm installing things, and G means I want to install it as a tool. I want it globally. I want to be able to use it and call it like a program. Because when you're typing in this terminal, it's not all weird. You just type commands in an order, and then the computer responds. It's kind of like a chat bot, for a modern equivalent. But this is not hacking, I assure you. I'm not hacking anything. I'm just making an app. See, this is my app. But what I did wrong was I incorrectly defined these icons. This is not a profile picture yet. Let's see, I've got these shelves. I need to figure out how to navigate between them. Well, it's you and someone else. They keep coming in and out. I'm not really popular yet. I'm really just starting out, so I don't think people come that often. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I've had like 3 people watching in the past like 15 minutes-ish. Pre-install. So, oh, okay, it did install it. So if I do exp build iOS, can we do it? Yeah, of course. I already have an Expo account. Okay, I did log in. Good. So looking like a hacker is pretty cool because I get to just like type all this shit in and the computer just like responds to me. Most of the like, oh yes, I need to set a bundle identifier. That is absolutely correct. That is my fault. Oopsie. Oops. Let me copy this. What was your record when you're live? Like, how many people watch your live the most? So I've seen 9 people watch me live on YouTube. That was the peak, I think. I've never seen more than 9. I've had 8 for like a good chunk of time, but the 9 was only for like the 9th person only watched for like a minute or 2, and then they went away. Or actually, no, they watched for like 5 minutes. But for the 8 people, I had like maybe a 10 or 15-minute stretch that there was 8 people watching me. It was during like the final round of something. And a bunch of them subscribed, which is crazy. Because like I don't usually get more than 1 or 2 or maybe 3 people to watch. And a lot of them are probably my friends. Because a bunch of my friends like know my channel. Not that I have a lot of friends. Let me get copy. I'm gonna go and see how to do this. Thanks, man. I'll try to make like a 0 to 100 tutorial of actually how to oh, this is what it's talking about. That's easy. That's true. I can only do it here. So I need to vim my app JSON. So this is the configuration. On my server, I can't click on this. Oops. Oh, I'm already in interactive mode. Okay, whatever. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I do this. Oh, no. Oh, I need to trim this down. Because I already have bundle identifier. I don't need this closing bracket, I don't think. And I'm gonna put my company name, which is link.spare, which is I'm pretty sure what I uploaded onto so you have a channel in your phone and we can actually download like plus subscribers, then I do that. And I just got banned from YouTube. And it's working. Wow, interesting. Why the heck did you get banned? I really hope I don't get banned because I don't know how I'm getting so many subscribers all at once. Hey, Dharmiv should Harry, thanks man for your subscription. Like I can tell that people are real. Let's see if that works. What, you don't like that? Okay. Thanks. Oh yeah, I'll totally read chat, dude. Because I mean, what else am I here for? I'm literally here to like talk to people in the chat, or anyone who doesn't want to talk in the chat, they can watch too. I'm obviously not discouraging anyone, but chat is important. Okay. What is this weird character that is there? I see it. Ah, the invalid character. Let's do this. I will go here. I will copy a more surgical version of this, which doesn't contain any weird bits. I will enter interactive mode. I will, I guess, go here, and we'll paste. And then add this. Escape, write, and quit. Let's now build our iOS app. No, do not. How dare you? I totally forgot. This isn't even my app name. I was copying an example. Oopsie. I need to actually put my thing. me.alink.spare. Thanks. Quit. And let's build that app. I really need the iOS file. That's what I need. Dun, 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 dun. No, what's my Apple ID? I think this is my Apple ID. My Apple password? Okay. Okay, so it thinks my Apple ID password is wrong. I don't think you can log into my account with my password. If I remember correctly, you actually can't. I need like okay, cool. So I learned all this stuff when I was a kid. Give me a second. And hey, sorry, I just didn't want to show my what's it called? Two-factor verification and shit. Generate. Oops. What? The camera just fucked up now? That's hilarious. Okay, I refreshed it. There we go. That's better. Perfect. This is going to be called Expo. I'm going to create you a password. Done. I wonder if I have to type it. I didn't know that this build process would be so hard. I thought it would just be the same. I guess it's not. So my Apple ID is this. I'm currently trying to build my app for the iOS platform, and Apple is getting in my way. How do I type this without doing something stupid? Give me that Google Keep. Oh yeah, totally fine. Don't open all of this. That's totally fine, Rama. I'll miss you, but we will see each other again. N E B W K J S O F E Y Y C W N W. Come on. What? My password is fine. Why does it think this is false? Come on, please. I've never actually thought about this. What if this part doesn't actually work? That would be hilarious. Okay, give me my credentials. Oh. You want me to enter the 5-digit passcode on my iOS device? That's cute. This old thing. I'll be right back. Okay. I guess I need to actually. I'll disconnect this. This computer isn't being used by me or by anyone. And this hard drive just being on permanently doesn't do it any good. Here. Let's check out my one iOS device. It's dead. Okay, see, this is my setup. You can see it's just a phone and an IKEA light. And then there's a screen. If you can see that, the reflection of my iPad in a tiny little face cam square. Oh yeah. Let me remove this. Hello. Can you charge while you're turning on? Or is that not possible? Because I'm afraid this 2-factor is going to expire. Damn, this monitor is jiggly. Well, my iPad's still turning on. What do I do? I mean, this is my app, but I borked it with all these warnings. I don't need them. This is beautiful, isn't it? Let's go all the way to where is it? Amsterdam? Amsterdam it is. Let's go all the way to Amsterdam. This is insane. Let me go. This thing charging? Come on. Please. Please just turn on. Please just turn on. I guess I can go try to fix something else meanwhile. Like, I wonder if this is paging? Is it though? So that's a simple nav. How about learning Swedish? So each one adds to the stack, right? So can I? Oh. Spare on localhost, correct. But it doesn't actually know how to connect to it. You have to use localhost itself. Interesting. Because I think ngrok's not running. I think that's the hiccup. So this app actually detects that I'm running an app on this phone. Well, actually, it doesn't detect that. What it's detecting is that there's an app I'm running in development. Come on, iPad, turn the fuck on. Oh well. Instead, we will work on our profile picture. We will add some image. What kind of image will we add? I did have a way to add an image before, but image. Image. I'm signed into all these devices. Where is this? Seriously? I'm signed into this thing? Oh, okay. I'm signed into some random shit too. I'm trying to get image React Native example. Thank you. Let's see. So, what does this look like? So there's dependencies, style, assets, Expo starter project. They are using images. Main.js. Style text. Okay, they aren't using an image in this one. Is this what they're using? Components. This one? Developer menu. What is this? What? They have memes in here. That's insane, dude. Programmers are so spicy. This is not what I'm looking for at all. Is this what they're talking about? Where's the actual source on this? I think he just like I need to see the example. I need the documentation. Tools. Image. Code examples. Thank you. Thank you. Let's check this out. So, oh, path drawing? That's interesting. Wow. That's some advanced shit there. I'm looking for something a little more basic. Wunderlist clone. Interesting. Tab view demos. Algolia search. Socket.io. So, Expo, GitHub, I'm just gonna go there. When you run exp init, what is exp init doing? What is this doing? When you run init, EG for init. Okay, I guess that's not what I needed. This is my project though. Okay, that's fine. I will go to screens and I will go to home screen and I will look at the history of this. And I will look at icon renders because for fuck's sake, I've already had this. Thank you very much, bot, for saying that. That's fine. You know what? No, do not type that. Okay, cool. We wrote it. into the cache, I think, so I can run this project. And I have badly fucked something up. That's not okay? Oh, that's not okay. That's true. This is okay. Please don't be mad at me, dear program. Is it loading up? I might have to give it a little bit of a wake the fuck up. Oops. What's up, Dukes? Я сейчас программирую на своем телефоне. Пытаюсь написать программулину. О, смотри, какая фигня. Достаточно прилично, но надо будет стиль добавить. То есть это мой application, я его сейчас пишу. Вот здесь вот. Просто на телефоне это Galaxy Note 8. И это лицо у меня просто с задней камеры. Rear camera. Green screen я приклеил себе на стенку. Так. Как мне стиль добавить к этому? То есть это settings, да. Стиль я убрал, когда style, welcome image. Нет. По-моему, стиль все еще есть. Нет. Не тут. Вот. This is close enough. Мне всего-то надо добавить внизу. Тут, по-моему. Okay. Const styles create profile. Profile. Okay. I'll give it a width 100, height 100. Oh hell yeah! My iPad is on. Thank you for finally turning on. And I'll close this off. I think at the top, yeah, from React Native you have to import style sheet, because if you're using some styles, yep, we're gonna write that to the buffer. Let's see, let's open our emulator. Well, this isn't an emulator. What? What's wrong with this? What did I do wrong? Profile? Width 100, height 100. What? I didn't do anything illegal. That's beside the point. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we need a build for iOS. I think this time will work. Building for iOS, I don't care if I can't do it on my phone. The fact that I can do it, the fact that I can even build for Android on my phone is insane, without any extra tools. This, logging into my server and doing all this shit, it's extra. Not everyone's gonna do it. 6, 8, 2, 9, 7, 5. Yes, amazing. I don't need any of that shit. Let Expo do it. I don't care. Okay, so I'm hoping this actually builds my app. Oh, so I think Fastlane is a way to sign into an Apple ID. Or maybe it's some way to like sign into a process that has two-factor on. Sure, I don't mind if this is my build server. Yeah, I'll publish changes as I see fit. This so far is cool. I don't know if I need an Apple Maps API in order to include Apple Maps in my app. I think you don't. For Google Maps, you have to license Google Maps in order to use it. Which is fine. Licensing is fine. That's crazy. An iOS app on the App Store built on an Android phone. Did you ever think this feature was going to be here? This is momentous. This is happening live. Did anyone chat me anything? I've totally been ignoring it. Okay, Nukes said something, but... See, I have this iPad, and I have this Galaxy Note 8, and I'm going to install an app from here onto this thing. Well, I can already do that. That's not the issue. Because I have this app called Expo, it's the same emulator, this thing. And I can literally just click on my own app. Theoretically. Just give me a second. Watch. Yeah. It's got one like by me. See? I've got my app on here. Same wonderful black logo. Same wonderful map view. Some beautiful little link screen. Hey, that's pretty good. Hey, it's even got our one glitch this heck app shortcut. There we go. That's beautiful right there. This is insane. This is built on an Android phone. Magic. The gathering of idiots. So this is building the iOS bundle, and I think it's going to give me a URL at some point. But what it's currently doing, I think, is building the iOS bundle on the server, because I didn't run exp start. What exp start does is it creates a local node server to start the React Native bundler, which converts HTML-like JavaScript into the actual components that make up native apps, and actually turns it into them instead of being the JavaScript that it is. So this part of it allows it to run on this iPad, for instance. Because see, all these native components are here. Like I can scroll, and it has the exact same scroll mechanics. I can look around between my tabs. I can scroll smoothly. Like This isn't even emulated with JavaScript. This is just native. React Native. Amazing. And this is like a super old iPad. Oh. It finished building the JavaScript bundle. I hope it can ship it. Oh lordy, I hope it actually generates the packet. I kind of want to make my face bigger. Yeah, boy. Now you can see me clear. I could try to stream this in 1440p, but Dex doesn't natively support it yet, and I'm waiting for the Dex pad in May. I could keep working on it, but fine, I should. Because staring at a screen and waiting for something to happen is pretty boring. These are my styles. This is my style sheet. Do I still use styles? Oh, I do. I'm gonna do something like this. Come on. Hey, what does this look like? Is this being run on Expo itself? I don't give a shit. This doesn't work either. It's okay. I know this one does. Bruh. Oh, yeah, you're saying this icon doesn't exist. Wait. But the icon does exist. What is going on? This icon should totally work. Where is this? Settings screen? It says this icon isn't found. But I'm 100% sure this icon exists in my project because it's my app icon. So how's this thing doing? Oh, this. You mean interrupting my server with a meaningless rendering of this? This thing's like, what are you doing? This thing's like, what? Where's the bundle? I'm timing out. What? The socket hung up? The socket for what hung up? Is it because okay, so I'll do this. Tmux can be this one. EXP start. And then okay, exp build iOS. Thanks, Ivan Hernandez. There we go. God damn it, we have to log into iOS again. Whee! That's insane. Waited for it to finish building. Is there nothing currently building? Huh. Huh. So I'm trying to build this goddamn iOS bundle. Please. Hey, you built it. And then what happened? Did ngrok not install? Yeah, that's okay. I think my firewall is blocking it. Which is totally okay. Come on. Is it actually building something? Why are you building the Android bundle? I guess you want to have both in case the iOS device needs the Android bundle. I think it just builds both in case I said just, you know, just build. Oh man. It's still building. I feel like I need to babysit this thing because the last time the pipe broke, I don't even know what that means. I didn't break the pipe. This is a server. It stays online like all the time. So it built a couple of bundles. So thankfully the app that I launched on Expo didn't have anything to do with its demise. What's up, everybody on the internet? How are you guys doing? I'm building me an iOS app. Hopefully it actually completes its build and I don't die trying. Hey, what's up, Dark Phantom? What's up, man? Have you tried programming this shit? So, the Android one finished. Why does building for iOS not work? I had the socket hang up issue as well. But my socket hasn't hung up. I have my server running right here. I have my... it should be working. And it's working just fine on my iPad. But... it wouldn't be nearly as fun to try to program an iOS app on an iPad inside the browser, because you could even do that on a Chromebook. I mean, technically that's all I'm doing here too. I can't click on your channel right now, but I can try and see if I can do anything to help you out. Oh, you have 78 subscribers. Sure, I subscribe to you, dude. So... still trying to build this bundle. Shit, guys, it's not building. I'm gonna come back in a bit. See ya, everybody.